And it is a conversation between Allah and Prophet Jesus or Isa al-Masih. And that conversation will be in future on the Day of Judgment. Sa araw ng pahukom. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask to Isa ibn Maryam or Jesus son of Mary, O Isa, son of Mary, did you say to the people, you and your mother as two gods beside Allah? And he will reply, Qala subhanaka ma yakunu li an aqula ma laysa li bihaq. He will say, glorify to you, you are free from that you have a son. It was not for me to say which I have no right to say. Wala ko karapatan na sinabi na ganun na ako at nanay ko, kami ang Diyos. So he will deny what the Christians are doing. They are believing Jesus as God. And they don't call Mary as God, but syempre, Jews, nanay niya, Jews pa rin. That's why they are praying to Mary, Hail Mary. Ano ibig sabihin ng Hail Mary? To bless them. So parang tawag nila si Mary, parang Jews them. And Allah said in the Quran, that Jesus and his mother, they were eating the food. Sinabi ng Allah sa Quran, kumakain sila. So they are not gods, but they are human beings. And he said in very beautiful way, he did not say, no, I did not say this. But he said, in kuntu qultuhu faqad alimta. If I were saying this, that worship me and my mother as gods, ta'lamu ma fi nafsi wa la'alamu ma fi nafsika. Because you know what is in myself, but I do not know what is in yourself. ما قلت لهم إلا ما أمرتني به أن اعبدوا الله ربي وربكم. Never I say to them except what you command me to say. Worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. So Prophet Jesus said, I did not say to them anything except what you command me to say. Hindi ko sinabi sa kanila maliban na yung sinabi mo sa akin na sabihin mo sa kanila. And what he said to me to say, أن اعبدوا الله ربي وربكم. Samba kayo kay Allah, siya yung Panginoon ko at yung Panginoon ninyo. Kaya sabi ni Prophet Jesus sa Injil, na salita ng Jesus Christ is Aramaic, parang Arabic. Sinabi na doon sa yung the first commandment, sabi niya, Shama Israelo, Adonai Ilahino, Adonai Ahad. Hear, O Israel, Lord our God is only one Lord. And it is same like what Allah said here in the Quran. What that Jesus Christ said to people, An i'budullah rabbi wa rabbukum. Worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. Panginoon ko at Panginoon ninyo. Kung siya yung Panginoon, bakit sabi niya Panginoon natin? Mali yun, di ba? Kung sabi niya Panginoon natin, syempre hindi siya Panginoon, kaya sabi niya Panginoon natin. So it's very clear for people to understand that there is only one God that they should worship. And Jesus Christ was the prophet of Allah. The only one God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the Prophet Jesus was the Prophet of Allah.